Hi there, friends! Today we're going to make a cute angelfish. First, fold the paper in half. This way and this way. Now flip the paper over. Fold it diagonally in half. Let's do the other side too. When we hold the paper like this, look, a triangle pocket appears. Place the paper like a triangle. Now fold this side like this. Let's open it. Now fold the other side the same way. And cover the right side again. Then the tail is ready. Look! Our fish is finished. You can draw eyes and a mouth, or add a googly eye if you like. Wasn't that easy? See you next time!